Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing us how to create a search box. In other words, how to create a search box using conditional formatting. So this video is going to be very short. Now, what it means is that I'll show you how you can create an highlighting search box in Microsoft Excel. Meaning that I will be demonstrating how to create a search box that will highlight the rows of the criteria that you specified. Now basically, let me show you what I'm trying to say. Now suppose you come here, this is the data set you are interested in. Let us say you want to highlight or you want to look for items that relate with the east. So you just type EAST, then you press enter. You see all the items related with east are being highlighted. So the same way, if you want to type for west, all the items related with west are being highlighted. Now how can you do that on Microsoft Excel? Now please, if you are new to this channel, kindly please hit the subscribe button so that when we release new videos, you are going to be notified, and it will also go a long way to encourage me to do more video content like this. Now, so in this video, I will show you how to create a search box that will highlight rows of the criteria that you specify. How do we do that? Let's get started. So in this place, you are just going to write search box basically. So, and this search box, I can just decide to bold these, and yeah, I can just to bold this, highlight it, come to this place and say all border. All this one doesn't really mean, but I just want to show you so that you would see, so that you would know, so that it will be separate from the rest basically. So you can decide to make this one red. Shall we make this one red? Change the color to white. No, but it doesn't mean so. But what I'm teaching you is that anything you type here, let's say you type east here, you want everything to be highlighted. So that's why I said this video is how to create a search box that will highlight the rows of the criteria that you specify. In other words, how to create an highlighting search box in Microsoft Excel. So how do you do this? The first thing you need to do is to highlight your data set itself. So I'm going to highlight the data set. So I hold my Control Shift down arrow to highlight everything since the data is much. So once you have highlighted the data set, that's the first thing. So the next thing you are going to do is to go to conditional formatting. When you go to conditional formatting, then you click on new rules. When you click on new rules, you are going to see some options, but the one we are interested in is use a formula to determine which cell to format. So I'll tap on it, it will come here, and the formula I'm going to type is a very simple formula. Let me go to the top of the data set. So I just press Control Home basically to go to the top of the data set. But this is the place. Now what we're interested in is that which formula are we going to use that will make Excel to be highlighting all the data set for us. It's a very simple formula. I've seen many videos on YouTube channel whereby they will use complicated formulas, but I just decided, okay, let me just show you a simple way you can do it. Now what you do is that the first thing is that look at the search box. What is the criteria in mind that you have to use? In this example, I'll be using region. When you are practicing your own, you can decide to use items, but you can use items, you can use region, either ways it will work. Now this is what I'm doing. I'm using region. So what do? I just come here and say equals to, then I'll tap on the first item, which is east. The first item I want to use as the search criteria. Then I told you I'm using region as search criteria, so I'll just tap on it. So once I type on it, I will delete this this dollar sign. This dollar sign is what we call referencing. It's used for referencing a formula. So basically I will just delete it. The idea is that I want Excel to lock this cell D, this column D rather. I want Excel to lock this column D, but I want Excel to be able to search from this place, this D2 downward. So I don't want, so that's the reason why I had to delete that one. For those of us that understand cell referencing, you understand that in Excel there are three types of referencing. We have absolute reference, we have relative reference, and we have mixed reference. So, but there's need for you to delete it so that Excel can move from D2 to D3 like that. So you understand? So I take it again. So what you just do is to type equals to, go to where you are interested in, where you want to use as your criteria, when you want to use as your search criteria. Then if it is this place you want to use, you tap on it. But in this case, I want to use region, so I'll just tap on it. So once I tap on it, I'll come to this dollar sign. I'll just delete the dollar in front of the 2. Then I also put another equal to sign. Then this is my search box. I'll also tap inside the cell. That's all you just need to do. So once you are done with that, then you now click on this place called format. Once you click on this place called format, you will see number, font, border, and fill. Now we are interested in the fill. Sure, you understand? So I'll just select maybe any color I want to select. Let's say I want to select a light blue. You can select blue. Let's say I want to select a light blue. I'll just tap on it. You see the light blue. This is sample. And I just click on OK. I also click on OK again the second time. Watch me. It looks as if nothing happens, but just watch. Let's say I type a word west. You see, all the items that are west are being highlighted. If I type a word east, all the items for east in this data set, let's go down. All the items for east in this, can you see all the items for east in this data set have been highlighted? I think you see, so that maybe you want to use it to search or you want to use it to lay emphasis. So let's say I type the word west, all the items for west will be highlighted. So basically, so if I don't know if I have not in this data set, NORTH, not, let me check. Yeah, we have not. You can see all the items for not are being highlighted. So basically that is how you can create a highlighting search box in Microsoft Excel. Now let me show you. Let's just say we want to change our criteria. Let's go again. Let's say we want to change our criteria. We can just highlight your data set again. Highlight the data set again. Highlight the data set again. Go to conditional formatting. Go to clear rules. Okay, I've cleared it. So I will go to conditional formatting again. Go to new rules. I want to show us another way you can new rules, just like I did before. Then click on use a formula to determine which cell to format, just like we did it before. So I'll just press my control home to go up. Let me just see what I'm doing. So now this time around we were told to use the criteria of item. So I'll just tap on the item. What did you do? We'll delete the dollar sign in front of the 2. Then we'll put another equals to sign here. Then we'll tap inside the search box. Then we'll click on this format. In the format now, you are not choosing number, you are not choosing font, you are choosing fill. Then you select another color. Let us say we want to select a green. Let's say we want to select this color. This is the color we want to select. We'll click on OK. Then we'll click on OK again. So once I type, this time around, if I type east, watch, it doesn't work because we have changed the criteria to item. So, and the items here, the criteria here are mouse, printer, and monitor. So I'll just type monitor. Just watch, it has been highlighted. So guys, if you found value in this video, I would like you to go below this video and click the subscribe button so that when we release new videos, you will be notified. You'll be notified and then you stay updated. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel if you have already done that, and if you are here to do that, kindly please do so. Thank you and God bless you. See you in my next video.